Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Aman Tillo and today is the week 5 day 25 of our 10 weeks lean body challenge. First I am doing 10 minutes compound set functional circuit training to activate all my muscles. I am starting with sledgehammer, toe to toe touch and kettlebell swing. I am going to do each exercise for 1 minute and repeat it for 2 times. When you perform a chop movement, you move the sledgehammer in a diagonal manner across your body. Because sledgehammers are heavy, your forearms stay contracted during sledgehammer workout. Alternate toe touch is a great option to warm up entire body. Always warm up to avoid any injury. Moving on to the kettlebell swing. It strengthens the power area of your body, that is core, glutes, hamstring, quads, back, delt and arms. Sledgehammer is one of the best exercises when it comes to pure fat burn, strengthening the lower body, toning the butt, thigh, calves. Also, it is good for your lungs and cardiovascular system. With the sledgehammer, you will be able to improve your lower body muscles, core stability and put more emphasis on specific muscle group in your lower body. You can use any ball or 2 dumbbells or even just 1 dumbbell, whatever suits you best. Just keep the weight fairly light. This exercise also improves balance and stabilization, which is required to control the weight as you move up and down. I just completed my functional training. Now moving on to 6 compound set arms and core workout. First compound set is close grip bench and single arm overhead extension. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. The close grip bench press is an upper body compound exercise that targets the triceps muscles. A strong triceps muscle helps to build stable arm joints that help you to move comfortably through your day. Using a narrow grip is shown to be great alternative method to increase upper body pushing strength. The narrow grip places most of the workload on the triceps for maximum muscle development. Without regular strength training, it is common for this area to become looser with age. Triceps extension can help to give this area better definition. The secondary muscle involved in this exercise is chest and shoulder. Keep your arm fixed throughout the set. No swinging back as you raise the weight. Taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. Next compound set is skull crusher and overhead dumbbell extension. I'm going to do 3 sets with 20 reps. The key to this exercise is to keep the arm next to the ear as you lower the weight behind you. For the skull crusher, choose a weight that allows you to maintain good technique throughout all sets and repetition. Make sure you can contract the abs to keep your back from arcing. Do skull crusher early in your arm training. The reason being that the skull crusher can be loaded up with more weight and so it is possible to fatigue your muscles. Try to keep your elbows as still as possible. taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink. Moving on to the third compound set, that is row press down and dips. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. Keep static elbow positioning throughout the lift. Keep your elbows tucked close to your body. Don't let them splay out. If you want to keep more tension in the triceps, don't lock the elbows out entirely. Don't worry if you can't do this right away. Build up to doing this type of exercise by working on assisted dips. Ensure the shoulder blades don't tilt forward as you extend the elbows. As a beginner, you can also try to do assisted dips. Taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, that is EAA and glutamine. And moving on to the fourth compound set, that is barbell curl and dumbbell hammer curl. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. You can either lift both dumbbells at the same time or alternate between arms, raising and lowering one dumbbell and then the other. Squeezing the bar will activate all of the muscle in your forearms and upper arm, which will generally activate the target muscles more. Do not arc your back. If you feel this occurring, you may need to consider lighter dumbbells. Be sure to pull the chest up high and keep the shoulder back to expose the full biceps to the load. Do not simply allow the dumbbell to drop back to your side, as this does not exercise your muscles. Lower it slowly, keeping control over it the whole way down. Taking 1 minute break and sipping up my drink, and moving on to the last compound set, that is standing high pulley curl and concentration. I'm going to do 3 sets with 15 reps. Try to keep your elbows as still as possible. Don't take the small reps at the top or bottom of each repetition. This will decrease the muscle building benefit of the exercise. Squeezing the pulley will activate off the muscles in your forearms and upper arm, which will generally activate the target muscles more. And feel the full contraction of the biceps. When performing any kind of biceps curl, including the concentration curl, it is important not to let your arms go completely straight by locking your elbows after you lower the weight. Be sure to pull the chest up high and keep the shoulder back to expose the full biceps to the load. Don't use a large weight like barbell, as you need to keep it under control with the one hand. After taking 1 minute break, moving on to the core workout, and my first compound set is cable crunch and hanging knee raises. I'm going to do 3 sets with 20 reps. To do a proper cable crunch, you need to fully isolate your abs. Your upper body and arms should move as one single unit. Keeping your back in a neutral or slightly arched position is good form when you are training with heavy weight. The hanging knee raises is one of the best exercise for developing abdominal and core strength. Raising your knees engages all of your abdominal muscles, including the lower abs, making the exercise better than crunches, which only engage the upper abs. After workout, don't forget to stretch in the end to avoid soreness and improve flexibility. If this information was helpful, give me thumbs up. That's all for today. See you all tomorrow. It's Filmy Fitness by Aman Tillo, powered by Purely Picture. Stay tuned, stay safe, and stay fit.